Hey, what's up guys? So today we are doing a conversion upgrade on a 1600. We've already got our extended swing arm with the upgraded motor and the shock already installed. Then we already have the new charging port installed. We have our battery line and our charger line. Those need to be hooked up. And then your red wire is going to get plugged into the harness. And I will just take a zip tie and run it right here. Alright guys, we're going to take our controller and slide this guy in, and then your power wire and your charger wire will feed down below. We are just going to plug that guy in. And we're going to take our bolts. So here you've got your two LED lights for your side lights, and then your side light switch. So let's go ahead and plug those in. We've got our red plug which says side light switch. That one's just going to plug in right here. Make sure you're not pinching those fan connectors on the inside there. Side light goes into the side light, and the other side light goes into the side light. Next is going to be this 2-pin with the brown and black. That is going to come up, and that is going to be for your charging port. And then this 4-pin also goes up. Those are the only two that will come up and out of the box. We've got our horn, which plugs in directly to the horn. And I will normally just keep that off to the side. Our yellow plug here is our high and low. That is going to be the extra cord that comes out of the front for your button. And then you've got your key switch. Make sure you plug that in. And then now it's just hooking up our motor wires. We're going to run these guys up. Then run our hall wire up. Hall wire is going to plug into this connection right here. I normally like to kind of tuck that up right there as well. Alright, now we're going to hook up our 3-phase motor wires. And we're going to just make sure that we plug back in our mid-wire harness. Alright, everything is finally hooked up. So we're just going to go ahead and hook in our battery. And then I like to slide this guy in. Just like that. Alright, let's go ahead and turn this guy on just to make sure we have everything functioning. Looks like we've got our headlight and our gauge. We've got our horn. We have our side lights.